Hello friends, welcome to Chess Circle Academy. This is the 20th episode of the greatest ever chess tricks and traps series. Today I am going to share with you Tartakover trap in Caro-Kann defense. Tartakover was the strongest gaze master. Many players catch out this trap in different games. Let's start the game.
For chess promotion, like and subscribe Chess Circle Academy.
White move the pawn on e4. Black move the pawn on c6. White move the pawn on d4. Black d5. White move the pawn on f3. This is starting point of fantasy variation in Caro-Kann defense. Black d into e4. White f into e4. Black forward the pawn on e5. White move the knight on f3. If black does the d into e5 is weak because queen on h4 is check. Black does the e into d4. It means white has the opportunity to attack. Alternative bishop on e6 is also acceptable. White move the bishop on c4. This is the good move. Increase the pressure on f7 pawn. Black move the bishop on b4 check to keep the pressure on white, but in fact is a part of crafty trap set by white. White move the pawn on c3. Black d into c3. White bishop into f7 check. Black move the king on f7. King on e7 might be the best try, but white is still on top after queen on b3. White queen into queen. Black c into b2 check. White move the king on e2. It seems that black has cleverly won a rook, but he is completely lost. Black pawn into rook equal to queen. Black has tried to avoid defeat with no success at this point. White move the knight on g5 check. This is the best move. This is the key move which allow white to force checkmate. Black move the king on g6. White move the queen on e8 check. Black move the king on h6. If black does the king on f6, then white move the rook on f1 check is also checkmate. White move the knight on e6 check. Black forward the pawn on g5. Bishop into g5 checkmate.
I hope you liked this video and don't forget to like and subscribe Chess Circle Academy.